Good day, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the pre-release material. I believe all of you know already. Uh, this is the scenario, I believe. Okay, this scenario I get it from the students from Riyadh. I was working in a school before, so my students are still communicating with me, and this is the pre-release material. I hope all of you already know because your exam is very near. So all of you know already what's going on in this scenario. You can be a member. If you are a member, you can be work as a volunteer. If you are work as a volunteer, also parallel, you can work as a sponsor. And if you want to be a sponsor, you can have some special messages, and you can donate by a donation of amount $200. Right? So it's pretty easy this time, very easy, I believe. And let's see the code. Okay, so we develop the code using Python. Okay, so here is my Python code. I can explain you a bit so you can understand, I believe. Okay, let me share it. And you share. Okay, I believe this one is my Python code. Okay, so okay, I combined all the three tasks in one go. But I will tell you which part belongs to which part, so you can have an idea how to write the code. And one more information, if you want, I developed the pseudocode also because in the most of the students, it's very less time for them to learn a programming language in short time with all the syntax. So I prefer you can learn programming languages. It's fun. But beside that, exam time, you can use the pseudocode because it's easy to write and you can cover almost everything and without any major syntax error. All right, let's go. So we need 6 arrays here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arrays. The first one is list, which will save the name of the members. Okay. Next one is if a member want to be a volunteer. So it will save his volunteer status. Where is he paid or not? His joining date. If you want to be a sponsor, then his name will be there. Or we can say status. He's first a member name is John. And in the sponsor name, it will come sponsor status, we can say, not a sponsor or is a sponsor. Because in the whole test, they didn't ask us to print the name of the sponsor, so we didn't do anything here. And the short message that the sponsor want to print on the some metals and his amount, his or her amount. So first we ask you how many members are there. So then we run the loop. All right. Then I ask him once we run the loop, then we save his name. Okay, the volunteer, member name. Then we ask the question to the member that do you want to work as a volunteer? If his answer yes, then there are 3 options. As you know already, the peer entrance gate, the gift shop, and the painting and decorating. So we give a option 1, 2, or 3. If 1, then this value will be saved in the volunteer status array. Otherwise, the gift shop will be saved or painting and decorating will be saved. Fine. Then this part, okay, this part is for task 3. Okay, so we'll come back here in task later. Okay. Okay, now come to this part. This is about joining date is pretty easy, straightforward. Okay, so joining date, then I will save it in the array. He paid or not, if it is yes or no, whatever it is, we will save it. Okay, the next is task 2. Task 2 is all about printing the reports. Okay, so it's saying that print all the people, print the volunteer status, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go to the release one more time, please. Right. Okay, new share. So this is my pre-release. Share it again. Okay, so you see here, first report is about who works as a volunteer, who works as a volunteer in peer influence, gift shop, painting and decorating, whose membership has expired, and who have not paid $75. So it's very easy. So it's just using a loop, and we print, do some a matching algorithm, right? Okay, pattern matching. If pattern match, then we or the query match, then it will show us the uh, data inside that array. So here, if a volunteer status is no, that means who are not work as a volunteer, fine. So it will repeat the list. Then this one is about name of the volunteers who work in the peer interrogate. So it will print the name of that members. Okay, and this one, the volunteer status, so it will print the name of the members. If you work in a group shop, if you work in painting and decorating, so this one will be printed. And if your joining date is less than, they didn't say when your voluntary or membership will be expired. So we gauge that if this is 2022 is going on, so 2022 is going on. So if your membership, you are a member, if you registered yourself as a member before January of 2022, that means your membership has expired. Okay, and we'll print the name. And the last one is the people who didn't pay. Okay, so this is your tax 2. And tax 3 is about, here we go. Here is your tax 3. They're saying here, do you want to be a registered sponsor? If it is yes or no, yes, fine. No, if it is no, I will in the area I will write against his name. He's not a sponsor, and I will add the amount 0 because he doesn't pay. Right? He's not a sponsor. He should not pay. So I append 0 only be added in the payment. If it is yes, fine. So I will write he's a sponsor. I will add $200 in his account, and I will ask him what message do you want to print. Yes, he will print. Then I will take him, tell him that are you agree? Do you are you okay with your message? If maybe a spelling mistake or something missing, so or he changed his mind, whatever it is, right? So it will go on again and again until he is satisfied. That's it. So let's run the code in a short time, right? So let us run the code. Stop and run it again. Enter the number of how many people want to join. Let's talk about 2 people because we don't have time to work with a lot of input. Okay, first one is, for example, my name is Shakhawat. Okay. Do you want to work as a volunteer? Yes. For example, input a value 1 to 3. Okay, I want to work in the first one. Do you want to register yourself as a sponsor? Yes. Yes. Okay, input is method. Okay, I write Shakwat is a teacher. Okay. Okay, fine. Then I showed the customer. For example, I am the customer, so I showed. Are you okay with this one? Shakwat is the teacher. If you say no, okay, then input again. Then Shakwat is computer is a computer science, CIE science teacher, right? Is a computer science teacher. Yes, yes, I like it. Okay, joining date. So 01 02 2022, for example. Okay, yep. Payment, yes, I paid $75. Fine, yes. Input the name of the members. That means my first customer information done, member information. The second one is Iqbal. Okay, so no, I don't want. Do you want to work as a registered sponsor? Yes, I have a lot of money. Okay, input your message that you want to print in the message. Okay, I have I like to travel. Okay, yes. Yeah. Uh, 01/05/2021, for example. Okay. Do you want to payment status? Yes. Okay. Now, as you can see here, Shakwat and Iqbal, these are the two people who are in the list. The peer entrance gate. First one is working the peer entrance gate, and second one he doesn't want. And he is joining date, fine. Yes, yes. That means both of them paid. And Shakwat is the one. Let's see the query I've got. Okay, the query was paid. Okay, who paid? Range. Okay, so Shakwat is valid because this guy, let me check. Yeah, he's 21, so he's not okay. And Shakwat is the one who paid. Is not equals to no, sorry, painting and yes, okay. So the list if equals to no in paid, then I think did I paid? Message correct, okay. Yes, input the payment status, yes. Input the payment. Oh, okay. So he didn't. No, that means Shakwa didn't pay. I'm sorry. Okay, so I wrote here no. Fine. So that's it. So this is the thing we have to do. Okay, so if you want to get the release in pseudocode, you can text me in my mobile 0544 729 or you can inbox me azim.shakawat@gmail.com. So these are the way you can reach to me. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.